everyone, thanks for stopping by today to see what I am up to. And today I have my Boxycharm Premium. And I'm always so excited when I see the black box come from Boxycharm, and I do really enjoy getting the Premium. And I just slit the tape just a second ago, and this is what it looks like on the inside. And then when I lift the foam, this is what I see. And Boxycharm Premium is $35 a month. They promise 6 to 7 full-size products, which are usually beauty products with a value of at least $175. The theme, I guess there is no theme. Adore? Do they have themes? I don't even know if they do. They might not. But the card says Adore. And then it gives you a list of the products with prices, which I love. Advertising to upgrade to March Boxyluxe, which is a good idea, and their Boxy pop-up is open. And we get to customize one item in our base box, one item in our premium box, and then one item in your Boxyluxe. Each time the box comes out, they always post a schedule on their website, and they post on all their social media pages when it's time to select your product. And sometimes you have to be pretty quick, or you could miss out on the item or items that you want in your boxes. And I'm just going to start pulling out items as I see them, and we'll show you those. And I love this product. I have the masks. So this is from Glow Recipe, and this is the Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist, and this is a value of $28. And this has a seal on it. Let me get some scissors. I have not tried this product, so I am interested in seeing what this is all about. Oh, nice. This is what it looks like. Let's close this up. I don't know if I have to shake it or not. Oh, it's upside down, that's why. So this is what it looks like. Glow Recipe. Get the top off. I'm just going to sort of, that does smell like watermelon. That is nice. Kind of fine mist, so that's good. So I am super excited for that. And like I said, that is $28. That got me $28. And this is 2.54 fluid ounces or 75 ml. Always excited for Glow Recipe. I love their products. And the next item that I am seeing in the box, I'm just trying to get this foam out of the way, is from Hourglass, right here. Hourglass, let me see, Ambient Lighting Blush. I don't know if it has a shade on here. And this is $40. I don't see, let me see, and this is Diffused Heat, probably is the... Probably have several variations. So let's see what this Hourglass products are always very nicely packaged. And let's see how this opens here. Opens very easily. Has a little mirror, and this is what it looks like on the inside. So that's pretty nice. I like that. And of course, my dog is going to bark. So let me pause this and see why she's barking. I'll be right back. Okay, sorry about that. Somebody was near the front of the house, and she will bark and let me know. So the next thing I see in the box is from Tarte, and this is their Base Tape Hydrating Primer. So this is the side of the box there, and this is this side. I don't know what shade, if there's different shades. If it says what I have, I don't know. Open that up and find out. Pop that top open. And this is going to be a big... Oh, there is no shades. It's a primer. I was thinking it's their Shape Tape. So this is nice. This is Base Tape, Double Duty Beauty. That's nice. It comes with a nice pump. Always excited to try. I love Tarte as a brand, and I don't think I've tried their primer. I have several other brands that I generally use, but I'm excited for that. And the Tarte Cosmetics Double Duty Beauty Base Tape Hydrating Primer has a value of $30. Well, that's a big a big tube right there. And this is from Korres. And this is their body butter. And this has a value of $32. And I love their products. Let's see if we have a... I don't know if there's a seal on this or not. Yeah, there is a seal, so I can't smell it. I currently use one that I've had probably for about 4 months. So I do love their products. I don't know if I'll keep this since I still have one that's taking a while to get through because you don't need a lot. So I might share that with somebody in the future, in a future giveaway. And that is 7.95 fluid ounces or 235 ml. So that's a large product for $32. And their stuff is expensive. And then here we have this. And this is from Faccia Skincare, 24 karat gold foil moisturizer, value of $100. I've seen some controversy about this. I might not open it because I might not keep it. I have seen where people were showing that this was listed for a lot cheaper than the $100 it's listed, but I will check their site. And this is a 50 gram. Probably a little jar, and it's good for 12 months. It says cruelty free on it. So if I probably won't keep it because depending on the texture, I'm very particular about moisturizers. So that's a good product to have. And then the product that I chose, because I have one, but I figured, and I have 2 minis, but I wanted another flat iron. Figured if I traveled with one, if something happened with it, I didn't want my expensive one to get damaged. And this is from Sutra Beauty, and this is their ceramic flat iron with a value of $79.99. So right there. So let's take the paper off. Maybe I don't need it off. And this is what it looks like. And I don't know if I chose blue or not, but I'm fine with it. Let's see. The heads move on it. Nice grip that you can do, and then your controls are inside, which I hate when they're inside. I prefer when they're on the surface so that you can easily get to them. And this is an on and off, and I like, and this will be good for like quick on the goes. I like my flat iron. I think it's a Chi that I can control the amount of heat that I'm putting on my hair, which I do prefer because I think that one goes up to 400 and way up in the 400s for heat, and I don't take it anywhere near there, so I don't know what the heat is in this. I'm going to read. And I know you can register these products on Sutra's website. So I think that this is a great premium box. I mean, I got the flat iron that I wanted. I love the Glow Recipe Mist, the Tarte product, the Korres product is a great product. Whether I keep it or not is another story. The Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush, I'm excited to try that. I don't think I've tried anything from Hourglass. I might have to look and see if I have. And this, I'm not sure, depending on the texture, and I will open that. Maybe I will open it now. Let's just see if I can slit some tape here, because if it's too thick of a texture, I don't like that. I prefer like the water gels or you know, stuff like that for my moisturizer. But let's see about this. Let's get rid of all this little plasticky stuff, which I have to be careful with my dog because she will find it. Let's see if I can open this, and then at least I can show it to you guys. If I keep it, you know, that's fine. If not, oh, look at the, wow, look at that. That is awesome. Presentation, packaging, yes. Oh, I can smell through it. I might keep this because this is a gel. It's a thick gel, but it's a gel. Oh, I think I might keep this because I was concerned that it might be like a heavy cream, and this would look nice sitting out if you kept it out. I don't keep it out. So you can see the front. It says 24 karat. So that's nice. So I might keep that. So basically, I could keep and use every single product in this premium box, and I just might. I mean, I might keep this. It's called Lily Bouquet. I could pop the seal and use that I could switch them up for my other one. I forget what the scent of my other one is. It's pretty, it's not floral. It's, you know, just like more like a fresh, clean smell, which I love that for the most times. And depending on how strong that scent is, I might not want that on my body. So I will add up the value of my box, and I will post that on the screen when I list all the products. And I will do my best to take a copy of this. But sometimes when they have like the lighter background, like this blush pink background and white lettering, sometimes it's hard to read and to photograph. But I will, you know, take pictures of everything and share my box total. I am always happy with my Boxycharm, Base, Premium, Luxe, whatever box I get. Generally every month, you know, there might be some hits and misses along the way. But I think this is a great box for me personally, and I don't see why anybody wouldn't love a lot of these products. And I appreciate all you watching, and a big warm welcome to all the new subscribers to the channel. I appreciate you being here, and I am always very, very grateful for all my returning subscribers. I appreciate you very, very much. And as always, I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye-bye now.